Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO Roken minifigure from Obi Wan Kenobi. The legs for this minifigure come from the Mandalorian armourer. The torso comes from this Hoth Rebel from the minifigure pack. I took the arms from the LEGO Newt Scamander minifigure. And I then swapped the hands out to these brown so that they're the right skin tone. The head comes from this Hoth Rebel, also from the minifigure pack, and it's very good because it's dual-sided, so you can have a happy or an angry face. Finally, the hair comes from this Grief Karga minifigure. Now if you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I'm very happy with the way that this minifigure turned out. I couldn't find a great torso, but I think out of everything I have, this was the best I can do. Well, there we have it. If you enjoyed that and would like to see more, feel free to leave a request for what you'd like to see. Also, hit that subscribe button, and maybe watch that playlist if you want to watch some more videos now.